All right. Today we're going to learn how to create a Baby Yoda foldable. Foldables are really cool, and they're all the rage at my classroom. So this is meant to look like Baby Yoda's pod that he goes around in, and when you open it up, it has the little guy in there, and he's just kind of peeking out. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do the folding and how to do some of the drawing. We need to start off first with a piece of paper like this. Materials that we're going to need are ruler, pencil, eraser, and a circle would be helpful, unless you want to try to draw it all by yourself. But if you wanted a perfect circle like his pod, think of some things around your house that have circles, that are circles, and that could be helpful to you. So getting started, we're going to take our paper and we're going to fold it in half. Right in half like that. Right, so we've got it folded in half. Then we're going to take this edge and fold it backwards so that it meets the top. And that's how we get the foldable action going on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my circle, lay it in the middle so that half of it is on this top paper and half is on the bottom. And I'm going to trace that circle so that on the outside it looks like this. When I open it up, boom, boom, boom. What I'm going to do on the bottom circle is I'm going to go ahead and finish that circle underneath. That's going to help me when I'm drawing the where the Baby Yoda is going to go. And yes, I know Baby Yoda's real name is Grogu, but I just like to call him Baby Yoda. All right, put this over here. So we'll take our ruler, okay, and we're going to first off draw. Actually, we can use our paper to do that. We're going to draw a line going across like that. This will let us know where the Baby Yoda is going to fit in. This is very helpful. But we're going to start doing this part where it seals closed, and that's a long, skinny rectangle. So I'm going to bring my ruler down below this line here, and I'm going to draw a line going across very carefully. And I'm going to rotate it and do the same on the piece of paper above it. Okay, get those nice lines. Then I'm going to curve my line like this here. And I've drawn it a little bit extra large on this side, so I'm going to come in right there. And then I can take my eraser, clean that up. Rulers do make things a lot easier. Now if you look right here, the pod has these 3 buttons. I guess they're buttons, I can't remember what they are. But so those are in the very center. So on this bottom part here, we're going to come in the middle, and then we're going to draw a vertical line here and a vertical line there. Okay, and then inside here we're going to draw 3 small squares. So I'm going to start off with the small square that's supposed to be in the center. Okay, and then I'll do the next one over here, trying to make all the squares the same size. You could use your ruler for these too if you wanted to make them line up. Okay, so here's the fun part. This is the, hold on a second. One other thing we're going to do is we're going to draw 2 lines, one from here to meet down here, and one here to meet down there. That sort of just gives it sort of a background area. It's good to have a ruler. If you don't have a ruler, like a folder or another straight edge might work. That's when it's closed, and this is when it's open. All right. So now we're going to open back the Baby Yoda, and we're going to start putting the Baby Yoda in here. To start off with, well, this is his robe area. So you can do like, and he sits a little bit in the center. So we're going to do 2 curved lines and sort of do a line going across. That's kind of like the neck part, kind of covers up the neck. And Baby Yoda is so expressive. We can tell by this pose that he's a little scared. He's scrunched down so that he can peek out at you. And then his ears are usually straight out like that, but they're kind of pointed down because he wants to know what's going on. After we do sort of the neckline, we're going to do a half circle. Okay. And sometimes I do sort of a guideline in the middle so that I know where to put the nose. Down here we'll do 2 circles, one here and one here for the eyes. And these are sort of filled in. We're going to do like little small circles because he's got that reflected light in there. Okay. And then he's got a little bit of a curve here, a little bit of a curve here. And then his nose, we're just going to do a little line like this for his nose. Next, the ears, they're going to start right about here. And the ears are sort of a triangular shape. So we're going to do a diagonal line down for the ears. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And then we're going to sort of curve the edges. And we're going to bring them back over here. Then he's got like, these are the top parts of the ears. So this part will usually be pink. Okay. Let me go ahead and erase that line. Okay. And then, also we have, he's got these little cute wrinkles on his head. And there you go. You can add other things. You can also take a marker or a pen and trace over your lines and then add color. And that will really make your drawing pop. So here we have Baby Yoda in his pod, and then when the pod is open, surprise! I hope you enjoy making this. Bye!